Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Maya Putterman and today I'll be showing you how to use the Voice Memos app. The first step is you're going to locate the Voice Memos app on your phone. The Voice Memos app on your iPhone will have red lines and then a blue line and also some white lines. So it looks like this app right here. And you're going to tap on the app to open it. Once you open the app, you'll be able to see all of the recordings you've made in the past by scrolling down. If you want to make a new recording and record a new conversation or something you like or a sound you like, you can push the red button, tap it once, and you'll start recording. And you will see that there's red lines recording you. When you're ready and you're done recording, you can hit the red square on your phone and then it will stop. If you want to name your recording, you can double tap on the number recording and change it to whatever name you want. Then you click enter when you're done. And if you ever want to come back to listen to any of your recordings, you can go and tap on the recording name, tap on it, click on it, and then you click on the triangle to start playing the recording. You can also go backwards 15 seconds or forwards 15 seconds. And then you start recording. Push the two lines to pause the video. And you will see that was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video, please visit midlerseniortech.com to learn more. Thank you.